Hi everybody, welcome to your channel Logic of Tactics. Here on this channel, we will explore the world of chess with an emphasis on tactics and puzzles. My name is Saalarond and I'm super excited to have you here on this tactical journey with me. Whether you are a club player or just starting out, this channel is for you to level up your tactical game. Get ready for categorized tactics, strategic insights, and a whole lot of fun. Let's get started. Fork is one of the most common tactics frequently occurring on the board of chess, and that is the reason we start our categorized videos on this channel with fork. But what is fork? When we attack at once with a single piece on two or more pieces of the opponent, forcing him or her to choose between which piece to save, we are executing a fork. Therefore, it is a very powerful and decisive device and almost always brings the game to the end. Now let's see how it looks like on the board. Here are some examples extracted from real games. In this position, White's queen captures on e5 and sets up a potential fork on f3. Since the king is under check, White is forced to move the king to get out of the check. This leads to the loss of the queen. Moving to our second example, White initiates an attack on the black bishop on e6, overlooking the black knight's potential attack on f4 with a check. White is forced to move the king. When it is black's turn, it takes on e6 and wins the rook. Do you recognize a similar motif on this board? Indeed, the knight forks the king and rook. In this position, once again, the knight on f6 seizes the opportunity to capture on e4, executing a fork against White's king and queen. In this scenario, the black bishop captures on h3 with the aim of delivering checkmate on g2 with the queen. However, this aggressive plan overlooks the safety of the black king, which can easily be exploited by a fork by the bishop on c4. As a result, the black queen is lost. In this position, we see an interplay of attack and counterattack. The counterattack turns out to be a fork by bishop again. The black bishop initiates an attack on the white's rook, but White strategically compels the black king to move into a square vulnerable to a double attack from e5. Here the white king is under check and must move to evade the threat. However, he enters the wrong square. Now it is your turn. Can you spot the impending fork? Indeed, that's knight h4. It is white to move in this position, and a fork presents itself. Take a moment. Can you spot it? Excellent. Knight e6 forks two enemy pieces. In this position, both the king and queen are on the same diagonal. Exploiting this arrangement, a bishop executes a fork, targeting both royal pieces simultaneously. The final position is about a knight fork and a devastating follow-up by queen attack. In this position, we see an